Welcome to my living room.
Again.
Okay, so first you all want to know about the couches. They are over 54 years old because my parents got them the year before I was born. The scale of these couches is way too small for the size of the room. I wanted to keep the couches because there's such good memories around them. One was cream leather, one was chocolate leather. Although fabulous, they were a mess. These pillows also increased the size of the couches. They're actually so much bigger than required for this couch. I found one in a crazy pattern that picks up the colors of the couch but doesn't match exactly. So here's something that pisses me off a little, but I can't find another one. So let's discuss the coffee table. It was commissioned by my mom and it works in every home to every scale living room that I've ever had. Large rooms, small rooms. I like a big coffee table. A large coffee table pulls it all in. I just noticed that everything in this living room is vintage or secondhand. I was lucky enough to inherit these incredible Mies van der Rohe chairs that are classic, and I love the lace detail on the back of the chairs. It kind of has an 18th century corset feel. Olive and I are obsessed with my lucite chairs. Mid-century modern. I found them at Scout, which is an exceptional retailer of vintage furniture in Dallas. I had this empty space in front of the fireplace, which I didn't want to hide, and these work perfectly. This Jaguar, who was originally a leopard, so we all need a little retouch once in a blue moon. Why should the Jaguar be any different?